Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed. In today's C# lesson, we're going to talk about enums. Let's begin. Okay guys, let me give you a small description of what an enum is. An enum is a special class that represents a group of constant guys. They are unchangeable and read-only variables. So let me start with an example. Okay, let me create an example with a level. I'm just gonna write easy, medium and high level parts in my enum. So I'm just gonna create an enum here. So let me just say enum and let's just say level for its name. And I'm gonna create easy, then put a comma here, medium, put a comma again, and let's just say high. So I have three different level hardness here. So I'm just gonna do what? I'm just gonna print those out. Because what was the enum? They are constants that can only be read from another class. They are unchangeable. They are read only guys. Read only constants. So I'm just gonna create a class with level because I give the name of this enum a level, and let's just say hardness, level hardness, and I'm just gonna assign this to first easy. So how am I gonna assign it to my easy? I'm just gonna write level, and as you can see I have easy, high and medium right there. I'm just gonna assign it to my easy part, then I'm just gonna print that out. Console write line hardness. Then you're gonna see we're going to print out easy right there. Console read line. Then let's execute my command here. And as you can see, we are getting an easy printed out here. Then let's just do it for the medium now. You're going to see we have a medium. Now do it for the high. And you're going to see we have an high value printed out here. Now, what I want to do is that I want to add some switch arguments there so I can play with this hardness variable a little bit. I want to play this a little bit. So I'm just gonna delete this for now and say switch. Then I'm gonna put my hardness variable in there and just gonna do my easy, medium, high in a case. I'm gonna print those or write those in my cases. So how am I gonna do that? I can just write level easy for my first case, then say console write line this level is easy. Then I can easily break. And I'm just gonna copy and paste this medium, high, and of course medium and high. And of course I'm gonna change back to easy for now. Then I execute my command. As you can see, now we have this level is easy. When I change it to medium, you're going to see this level is medium. When I change it to high, you're going to see this level is high. Now, I want to do something else. As you might notice, when I hover this level high variable here, you're going to see level point high equals 2. Now, I want to use that 2 value. How am I going to use that 2 value? Or basically, what is that 2 number? 2 number is that this enum values here has a positions, guys. These all have a positions. So what are those positions? This starts with 0, this starts with 1, and this starts with 2. So basically that 2 value is there. It's level size position in my enum level there. So actually let me create another example. Let me just delete all of these, and I'm gonna create an enum day now, and I'm gonna write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And as you may notice, what do we have? We have our positions. Oh, whoops, what is this? Now, Tuesday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6th position for my Sunday. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use those position numbers now instead of the name. How am I going to do that? Instead of writing level day, or we changed day, let's just say day with a double Y, like this, I'm gonna do int day. Why am I writing an int day? Because I want to get that position number, position value, and those numbers are integer values. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just assign it to random value in here. Let's just say Friday, day Friday. But when I try to do that, I'm going to get an error. It says it's an error, and you can convert that data type to day because this is a string basically. But I need to do that, I need to convert this. How am I going to convert this? If I just come here and put my brackets at the start of this day Friday value and put integer in those brackets, this string value turns integer, guys. And what happens when it turns to integer? It gets the value of its position, so basically 4. Now I have my 4 value in my day variable there. So let's just write that out. Let me just write console write line day with a double Y. You're going to see the number 4, guys. And if I change, or basically assign, let's just say this Wednesday 3 instead of 2, what will happen? These positions will get changed, guys. How is it going to change? It's going to change like this. This was 0, this was 1, this became 3, then this Thursday position will be +1. Why is that? Because this is now has the position of 3. So this will become the position 4, this will 5, this will 6, and this will 7. So what's integer value that I'm gonna get now? I'm gonna get the integer value of 5. Why is that? Because I changed this to 3 instead of 2. So the positions are moved by +1, guys. And actually this was it for the Enum, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next C# lessons. Goodbye.